Konti kunere dormant tumbe kuza tukimeactivate kenda ningiomba kwithirwa ugikenera ira tibagwita 0 monthly fees kune kugawekira mbeche ciaku ntukwe narua kiri account yaku ya savings ya NCBA Bank weta next month kuongera kana wito ugethera mbeche ciaku ire intact o uria wekire ngiri 5 ukethera ngiri 5 ciaku ikairi o uria gutikyo kira change no to NCBA bakwenda mono gwetane nawe kainge kagitene gaka ngarama yotoro itete bonene akenya boteta mono achiari bararite bills chema chukuru tiurent January niyo January teje na bime bitano NCBA bekura turiongere muthikiria tumbe kutha twikara nthi to reason twinthe turi amwe nekyo gitumi bena 0 monthly fees gutigira ati kwa mukenya utikwithirwo kinyirika mono kamono ni gwitia kwa ngarama ya uturo
ni thajiri kirukite ndaki 11 na post ya Directorate of Criminal Investigation DCI arrest of a suspect for creating disturbance. A suspect has been arrested following reports of disturbance at the Ministry of Health boardroom at the Capitol Hill Police Station. The suspect, Grace Njoki Mulei, was tracked down to Hombe Road off Juja Road and successfully apprehended. She has been taken to Capitol Hill Police Station where she will remain in custody until her court appearance scheduled for tomorrow. Hii post yoro ya kwa watu kwa makurura hukumera.
Wanasema walimshikia wapi?
Off Juja Road.
Off Juja Road? Si hospitali?
Batera wa hospitali. Anyway, the yiri kiroketa rega kumira izile
Kena meuma hewa. Kena umeuma hewa.
Karibu sana kile mbango ya chamoka ni yiri kiroketa rega kumira izile. Ruari turenda kwariria manto ya mawathe. Kuri watho bubura kulukirwe ni mbunge. Ni bill ya ret ni Senator Kristo Asegi Kristo Asegi niwe waretere bill eje na ni bill ikethro ikiguna sana antoba mawathe including kwethro bebelia kiri mantu ya kurea woti including kwethro ikirita achiari kana amenyeri bantu ba mawathe kiri kurea woti na some other benefits na ibo turukiro rware turi na coordinator wa PWD ndene ya county ya Meru bwana Samson Meriti. Karibu sana bwana Meriti. Thank you very much non tubotonera kanya rukiro rwari Meriti kinyani daktari kando na kwithwa ari mutungeria wantu ba mawathe. Thank you very much bwana Meriti na karibu sana kiri Weru TV na Weru FM.
Ibwega muthikiri wetu wa Weru FM na Weru TV non tubwa kuona kanya ka tutuka yuki utherio antu ba mawathe yaura warikia kuwa ni uma mbethera ndi muritingo hospitali ya Isiolo na ndu umwe wantu barabethera bari na mawathe mbethera ndi barabateona bwega kana ne chunku visual impaired na nkuluki mbethera nkibanga mitaratara tigania west na randi patron wa ikundi beyond the 55 na Meru County twithara twina structural leadership ya coordinators 15 ki coordinator ni babanga mitaratara ndene Meru County nara baumba kubanga mitaratara kuma county mwankanturene na antu bawito coordinators ward reps na chairperson ba ikundi nara ndene Meru County twina ikundi kimwe kina certificate magana yana kina alemavu ngiri 15 Meru County ina alemavu kulingana na utalibwa antu kwa miaka 2019 bari ngiri 48 na 150 to project dai turi akui antu ngiri ena baraba ina mawathe cia mwanya lakini baraba ingi baraba thuka paka thiatirwo ni baraba ina thina cia kiongo baratwita psychosocial ibo baingi sana na bo ibo batuleta thina muno na ibo mwekuru wetu tikuona we senate araigirwe kiao aumba kuona antu barabaria na antu bau baumba kwithira bari alemap nkurukinye mulemap no kuwe muthikiri urwetha ina kana kau na kulukite nya muntu ya wundiria no ntu county kwetha ina kana kalemapu katire nyomba nyore ya nyotumba kwari no tukumenya inakari
No,
na ibo
kuthwanire.
ntura imwe tuthaikaniri na ng'ombe tugathaikanira na mburi kenda mwe kuromba inya kuruga chai yes
so bwana Miriti sheria yake ikiokilukua ikiawikirwa saini ni president iri maanisha hata kiri antu ba mawathe
ibwega sheria ikweria kuthia tano nwe muno sheria ire kulukitwe njega kabisa ya LEMAP ni 2003 ira yaumbire kukapsha bura kinyawa UNDP ntuba dunia ki mantuba mawathe Kenya ya adapted na ese gini tuli ino barombete sheria ya ntuba LEMAP ya 2010 sheria Kenya rio kulukwe taumbire kwa adapt bwega kunende na miaka 10 thingatana wanio na through mwekuru utikuona bumuichie aumba kungangana nio yaumba ukulukwa senate na actually thaini bwiri kwithethirite nguino ntu itikutina kipingamisi ike yo kuluka yoro tukwirigirani yekulukite ina mantu ina ke into 10 biena ubatu sana ubatu bwa mbere number 1 muntu urokethera wandiki nguine wenthe thirikari tirari sheria bwega lakini mwanka ya karanguine miaka 65 na bonge yarikio kulukwa muntu wonde uratwita caregiver kana muciari wa kana nontu twana tutwingi turatwa tuciari tu aciari bo batimbaya matini batutere bari ututa turayuko ibo yuwe kana turayuko imuturi fulani itwana tuka imno twina aciari bo nontu bwa stigmengi tukurwanio ya kuonania kama wano ino LEMAP ni ukas kana ikirumi kana ni uro ikaiginto fulani kuna bahati ya maingi tu firstborn 90% yana LEMAP nontu ye kana kinyana ki hospitali ki ukamata mwana na mantu ya maingi mno ndumba kwa thai so mostly baithera bai kambere na muntu uno na stress muno nontu wa community na family muno chia na arabu irikurwa so kaura na bombe ba ureburu so twana tutu tiri kiangiva na baba ingi na bwachiari bamwe bararunga mabura baibu yuwete irakara ya kitharimo araria nako nereri mpande ni nene muno ndi na muchiari umwe kumenya every atuma irova 2000 na kana ka autism yes nontuka karoma gente ka sukari ithina bia kura fulani ithina kintu fulani ndewa twina baba kwirika ndawa cio ni very expensive na bura kwirika ya maingi no butombo bukuthuka so na miaka yu ndaritangira LEMAP ngui miaka yu 5 na kundini tapu yara tuonete nendi thirikari ronere kuki angivo na raiwe responsibility nene muno pumwe na rairo kintu tutuire kurira wata muno gitwa tax exemption kintu kiber important ki muntu wa mawathe atirio woti bointo bira aumba kwithira kiura binene for example kiura ngari akiaka nyombewe aina nduka chiawe aina plot chiawe aka atiria rates na rates apart from biashara renio urwethe anoi nako ikawe kana ketikirite wethire nako ithirikari bungi burabura ire bubwega na bura tutwire kurana bwo turaremi ni antu baraba kuthulunkia twana town kana muntu mawathe nya ya uwe matini room nene utombo boku wetha wena psychosocial uwe utina control ku muntu akutumira bura butebwo miaka ni 5 kana milioni 1 kuna ndi anytime batu baraba kuthulunga na twana town baibange especially miru tithina inyingi cia LEMAP nyitu anontu ni mwende ne Kenya ira ina mipangilio ina act of assembly ya Meru 2016 ikweya na inyakagi na fulani nontu ni antu baina saku ina mbundi ya LEMAP na utongerui county na regularly bona mbecha la yende ndi treasurer wayo na twin over 20 million asset na haya wa aromba ngiri yana achokagia yana waromba ngiri wachokia ngiri so itara kensuruva ofisi ina ali pali tatu kulira ngui uyulilia karatazi Indian tremende matini ya kuurire uroka wata kithilunka kigana imiaka 5 kana milioni 5 faini iyo nio ikirienthu kubu.
No, that's a good one.
So ndururi atiri Miriti, is there babu de boka idea because this one sheria onto yaye yomba otumero bobo ene antubamwe non to kure anto baba chedia maybe ni caregivers bakithi olonkasi anto taunine wau how will you ensure that antu ba sheria yete utumiro boboe kire antu bara bakwenda kuinufaisha kumane na antu ba mawathe.
Thank you. Kwe kinya kilausi yengi kuwa munturo keyana information sio rongo. That is kilausi reo. Kinya wenu wa miaka 5 kilausi yontu Martin no ntu nandi ngu kintu kiki ya ulemavu kirari kasi nandi blessing antu baba ingi bakendo chethi ulemavu eitho te wikua eitho te kuona eitho no kara na no wito akara ukara komba kwaria na daktari akwandikira barabu tibuo ukeya kuwatikana na uringiriro miaka 5 kana milioni 1 fine. For example ukethira uwe nukwirika no te kuona daktari abwithira kureterete computerized kithimi kia testing kia kuona no tete 30% of your sight. Number 2 ketho tu ikwa ku kithimi kita wa bera electrolyte ke electric kuthimwa na test kithimo wa Kenyatta ikyo daktari wabwiri kwa company nakyo no kuthuuka ubwiri kwithira kisheria utete inchinya chikendo thuuka njara no mwankethire itikumba kutamburuka 90% 180 degree kuku ina kipengele. Number 2 ni atatu kama yake yangiba urwe ya na instruction we chief barua ya ku iniega ikaya na barua ya witara kuendeka ikethere final chief atibwiri kwa na information wrong no that's office of the president na ne antoba training kwa menyeka ni urongo na chibu mwene na keyangiba fine reo iba ikirite clauses ira chikomba ku control manto yau no ntu kandi chia lemabu chionde la sicha chokerwe no ntu wamba thai athikiri beto ukya kwitha utina certificate itwa e-citizen certificate kandi ira chionde gwinacio ni valid itina ngwi thai ba register wa online daktari ukuona ibekirwe la sia bonde training baraba certified assessor timu daktari bonde uketa miathene mboi baili uketa thai nindi ni center cietu ni nya kichina daktari ba kai kune ndi ba ina criteria ya quases be na form njeru ito new guideline ya quases na utala madhabu mwanka wone mtu una ukinya kiwango kia wita mulemavu moderate severe kana mild
na maybe kiri mturea maybe kwe baba tena card mwanka nandi na maybe mturea na mturea tena card na uchiuri nkamba ambiria na kenda mbona ka card kauka disability.
Thank you very much. Number 1 ndi inyete kandi certificate na ni online ireki online kenda muntu ena Nairobi wekira kibande gyaku ukamenya uyu imulemavu na ni ulemavu kariu na u next of kin no mwekuro wenu mwana wenu ntureo ni village yonu kenda chief bietania na into bingi ni atokona kandi iunio thina twinio my sister county kethira kwithina alema barite ba irete kuro imono kuro ni akanto kugeta wakandi baunda kwira antu ngiri system ndene ya Meru county baraba ina certificate ubate kinyingirinya
ke 60,000
yes nontu nantikira kwitha ni aetherwe like cartel ni aetherwe kwithwa kintu kino puthuku for example kwi county ndi kuona ni kuria mulemavu inya kwa assesswa maana that of 50 na muntu kawaida kiona wenye consultant eri yana na nkamuria surely mulemavu na muntu kawaida yetumiru yetu at least free assessment lakini center irari thano na irimo mweri timwe mweri ya level 5 wako wetu ponete antu baba ingine antu 20 ba chumia burune yana mwaka batumbo kinyangiri totalania level center idhano yu batumbo kinyathi antu ngiri ile mwaka sister bokathiria ri thina ni ere au itwaririe na excellence ngabana during UN day na ya ne directive no ntu ikiri onto buoria seriously toborie muntu kinyasha ati register muntu wendi ti benefit chire atichiona kiangibo atichiona tariki 3 kwina kintu kiuto vetting bwana Martin muntu arikia kuona kandi na no kwenda kwa tax exempted wita kubetwa nationally so we apply online baraba kubeti bakeya regionally yani be yete isiolo tariki 3 all the eastern region ubiri kureka certificate una document ingi ukairende ukaiwa certificate KRA we have no business with you ukaiwa sticker changaro kapaka nara ku reserved na into bibingi babeti tebate kanonto patina certificate nonto assess ni remete so we mwandikwa indi akaendelea kuria mbecha nonto kwa assess ikuremete
lakini re militi eastern menyane ko wata kuma
moyale litala moyale mwankembu they are supposed to be in Isiolo lakini kabatingi bara bakubeto nontu batena certificate ne hantu ya na gintu
so mtu umete mutitu ade yake ya Embu ake ya Isiolo kubeto
yes twina ya regionally no buku tura nontu of course people baba kwa seswa mene ebo you are coming for tax exemption you are employee na naube ite nabo butuburi bamenye bawo when daktari kwa sesere to buri kubeti is a new team ya KRA ya National Council of Persons with Disability ya mandaktari expert pametho ba matuba mbinambi mwanya ukaleta documents yaku pakaile la ketha committee criteria
so baba kuvetwa ni baba andiki
ibara bandiki bayita kuriliswa tax exception
okay
yes
very well
yes
though it is still bado still ni kwejo mo no kuimagine mtu umete
mbere tureta Nairobi twinde tweta Nairobi so yape
ai
yes tweta Westland yes na nyak itu kwariria mbere form wiki is la ITS si confirm or indirect medical services wa county each county mbere jiekaro ina indirect or national few years ago so it's a big achievement la ili la irwa Meru na ninto bithato bikwendeka form kibande gyaku na kabicha gaku ita saiva within 3 days wina certificate wina thina ikuwata form yake no itwani yero nende sente wirero chia organize siasesae daily itware discrimination turenga bana utumuntu mwa we matini wachua urita kuonora urenda mulemabu we yantu kwira ya ite assessment yakero wiye tariki nyanya mweri weliro tukwasesa yungu home so we have reduced that one na tuire bara please ba katukwaria na Buruna njirenja baka frustrate mulemabu rengi barekane noe na rite thine mbanu na ne rwau yes
okay
na ba tu coordinator we are monitoring closely na tukareta report na kwendeka the only thing we do we advocate and lobby we don't make a lot of noise but yare mera utoteta tu in option
okay yes so we are coordinator bwana Meriti we na marito ya ntu bonde 48150 ba
thank you very much non to babu ntena yo ndakwira atiri ba tu team coordinator kana team ireta wa Meru County Pinda Mduni Network coordination forum ina ikundi magana jana na membership ngiri 15 to teach na 45 iri as we are talking na nya county batichi no to ichi
registration ya
batwi bara ikundi bietu self-help group ku ikundi kina anto mabefte ku ikuina thate ku ikuina yana ikundi biumana yana ibibi na population ni tukumenya personally 15,000
bara ba registrate
orindu mulemabu nyota register we mulemabu
kumenyana tu baba kumenyana ingiri
15 yes lakini baki bo ngiri 15 yu baraba ina certificate batiki nyingirinya yes
so now ne effort ile ko bo wekira o ya coordinator and for example ne effort ile ko wo wekira na timu yeku ya tongere ba PWD kuona ne bo kumenya nto babo on the 48,000
effort ile tukubwithia iya networking utukubwithia you hear your network for example itu na monthly meeting ya coordinator 15 o muntu na reta report yewe atuire effort ira kubwithia effort ile mwa kubwithia iko encourage so many members to form self-help groups uwe kithanda ya uni ndenda ngiambirio coordinator twari kundi 48 we are now 52 tariki 16 no tariki 29 nkethira ndembeu which is one of the one direct it neglected in a way 29 immediate kundi kiantu 80 bairi kaki ikundi kiu kirite thine te kweleweka ndawa mbeu nara kwata kuona dispensary ithina patir na kandi ya certificate kenda bomba no kwa waived kenda bomba ku register at least sa ni over release level 1 2 and 3 free na ndawa ite no imone expensive so tuina muchemanyo no na leaders ba ko tumba kuona kikundi ya kiu nyetu giache kingi kibwiri kureka weka iriko utu mwanka muntu akadaka no akwa so I'm calling some stakeholders ya 29 tukone ni atatumba kubwithia so ba tu njirere we kuongela ikundi na kubairo the message no tu ya volunteers na kuba linki na official biara for example ntukwende mbirite MCO kwethira ino tuketha twina chiefs na tukwene ni other partner ibuto withakia yeru arenda uma mbitite muchemanio ywa thaithano kenja social hall nara ikundi bionthe bia sub county uye kwa wondi thano leaders bonthe ya igana bachemania ku strategize ne atea bakaomba utumira meathene ndio ntunirerwe ndili kenda ntu twarakisha no ntu mbiru ni tito ni ekulukina yangi bareke kumisi opportunity na no bon kuirigira coordinator ongi wa Southimenti wa Northimenti no ina strategy but batena resource lakini bor iba train kulobi na leaders for example ito lobeten tu kuingi mbeu tu kono baradina we also hire the workers to call resource twaitania nao baile na ukura ya bari pa to aseserantu to ikia ki center confirm so we are working and to kona partners now we are using antuba goodwill for example ya sister Kanya Win is doing a lot lower zone Kenjae akithina thwana we arambirie rehabilitation center kenda na baba reko complicate tuka link inwe so we coordinators pakona support Martin muno ya county na national not we are also having stakeholder forums every sub county we have done tigania where we bring all the sister chiefs assistant all the ACC thinerere omwana we ngwate na kibande atina birth certificate na hiyo requirement document mbere umwe atacherwe cibitari ataikirwe kliniki atabatithirwe atetera skuru ukethira registrar wa birth kawa ibande aimwira arete document you ethati na cia mwira ana yes so we sat down with our area DCC na chief bonthe twawatanira mwana uwa kora kwa kiuria chief sinu mwichi yake nawe register munenkere bathi as soon as possible muntu ibande ndina thata years 40 years reka kuri na ntuire reka kuri antu bonyote boy nabo munenkere document yi tumuririe engi enjoy opportunity kidogo thirikari no ya treatment yake so that is also sub county
so is this agreed on to boni
bwetekaniriwe three sub county have done that meeting it is agreeable netena question the remaining other 12 they have a schedule manka September to the tuko sub county chetu turita stakeholder kuma everyone county government national government any other body to akarandi tukoro ni butu wiriweta o loiburenda bakaratia and they are listening actually I remember when we were in Southimenti goji one chief cried nuntu ona na bwiri na turi kubwithe butebuo and other you coordinators but they are letting people know what is happening as we are now we are happy like you already babu watoa kanya kakwira PWD kwina another opportunity arakisheni mantu ya kandi no ntunwe iririkana if registered so it's an opportunity and we are happy the governor na ikilire wengwa na itira director mental services na itira wasiri arauan nairwe nimbibie na thina abwithie you were so passionate na bura wire agura bwachethana le map bano baringi muntu nthi kikura aba mukulukia na tena bonge kayo ya thikiro imurungu maromba yamba ithe atira account
kankorie mbona miriti ntore ne cheto no ntono kuliunga muno antu ibatigire kuithana ba disability kuithania na baba
actually it is a big problem lakini tha ito kirita awareness tigimane kuthira no nto opportunity iri kuya like now kwetu itukubwithia list ya most vulnerable every location itukubwithia we are using CHV the community the promoters nara ina nyumba fulani nyumba utumwete itukarabo ndena public health officers para department ineu tuireni kuyobo kuona onto ibabwiri komya nyumba inyarungurwa nyumba so we also when we are calling those meeting together twinabo bawo bakatuma actually it is going down very fast yes no to mwana by the way kabatichi ikitharimo ni kwinda kwingo train antu bana kwenu umete county isiolo mwe mtu mote kuona etawa mine nyanka mweta twe muchemanio ne oro arere ko timu wingi na mwe bape kethatande mulemavu ntithirande am blind turi antu banana ininga kindingwi inda thomethirwe is a secondary school teacher na ina ba we pa that by university baro ina bangi na bantu bangi be akabakura thina so we ulemavu akausiswa na thina tika kumbubwiri kwitho lakini arabere no it is not you should not be an issue manto murungu na yabwiri ukarau so indi kinyoro kuitha kana utikia kuithira uko kuitha blessings kinyora no kuichie the uni ndi daitari getha ayanda issue with wanai uthwani ndi kunika ndi na nthuku ndi mulemabu imurungu na nari netumi and I know what I've done for the last 5 years murungu nari netumi so tike tukwagira u indari ki wane NGO woro ndethira mulemabu we mona irinjitete ungi nakirete ku irinjita isiolo I am cancelling her no ntuwe ariona I know even ku skuru ingi ndetere gwelen kamwarimu ulusite wanai actually kenjai and she has now registered why you are allowing this benefit to run away wachukurombe chingiria gwithate tutetheria lemabu nona nusu kethero tuchienda na weto urangaro sibira mana tano tunengere mana ile and lile lack of awareness ulemabu tissue inde waita mtu chithia mulemabu ontoka thai kwa miaka 5
Sure. You know, Miriti, unfortunately, kana untubwa kumakanene ate, baba ingi ba antubabo bena mawade, atiari barawa kumenyera na ba mawade, unfortunately, ibanja ite uchiumba. So how do you come in kide situations onto ya iji?
Thank you, Martin. I think inyawoni na ngwichi yako indita, I don't know the relationship ya ulemavu no kia. They are so close. And for one, to be honest, 3/4 yana baraba ina autism, mental issues, bonde baretoni ukia inawe. 3/4. Kakuota kaumba kwithira kareira accidentally. Why? Turetere soni mwanke withakia kwithia kurisia kisas onto lower soni yake the kenjai na thwana arrange with small place in anoyana baina autism nambi bangi ba utikwa system kanya iri unya itakwambira rehabilitation thinari arite na kibiru mwerondo na bari ndinara wailela kuntu kuti sibitari kutina roi kuinoka ubwingi no kwirira kamatita teta clinic ndawo irabona abokewa tuibwachia clinic clinic ira witaokia ya wandawa they help the baby to grow health so ketho tina iron utina bingi batetre clinic nontu bakuremwa na kikuraya number 2 batairere kana ka uchibitari huwa kinya sibitari kiyire somewhere ruirura kana karake ya gukunda ruirura Lomunutic Floyd kakare akurira within 3 minutes he get brain damage. Yes, those are now where they are getting autism and mental issues. Kana kare akurira 3 minutes kinya nandere ngwino tuku kaka ya kuona gatikurira within 1 minute 2 minutes I shouldn't get worried. Otherwise within 3 minutes brain damage. It's simple like that. But tutenda kwa alinya but that's the truth. So all of the workers been something to play. Yes.
I think ndipo bati kutobokara chena inya because ukakwithwa issues chomba kwithwa
chikosi autism.
Yeah, you should be audible enough kwira kinyadri kari mbabati kwithwa bayoka dispensaries in those areas dispensaries china maternity kiendana bomba.
That's the truth.
Yeah.
Buma. Na ruto ari na stakeholder to ina community we are the workers. Attitude number 1.
Yeah.
De kekwile lambulema bumwe burakari. Reko muri na umete na yakamatite akwe onturimwe turaritu baritanto abashwari ruko na muntu kuthuka kana mukwe onto Michael Liungi short ena twana twa winya tura yakiriwe onto muno wambe kuriara nawe ginyawe nura gwitire kurendetwa nu so attitude number 1 number 2 itugubera please thayende Klaus ye iriwa every hospital either in ndest ya lemabu kuibonete ya tukwaria ndeski ugute ya wita directly na arabange bagwita muntu akethira train kwa andu alemabu actually nya batu tukibithio a training in a hotel mbamba wita mbere tukambiria staff to abariria nuntu ginyo matininga kwile lawo turi akumenya so mulemabu akithuka ya bora kari nambi na kaumbia kari umba ile we yara imago ya murungu rekana inayo cibitari kurerwe kwendest directly mulemabu ayageta number 2 kwithire kwina sign language interpreter every hospital temulemabu tuyuko umato akara akazi te murungu ate wakamatite utimuntu kuwa amurio ne atalibe yire ne ataino ginya akayuko ngondu itwene ero the workers buena ngwe kurita ituyite pole pole but you are not blaming them ikure akumenya gintu kithuku muno mati we are now advocating slowly niwe gatutethia na nya babu na aburi bonto renda atura please to ya nya tukanya limo no mwaka nonto urirwa mufu inya na mulemavu namba na Martin kambira antu betu bathikirite na bunthikirire boya community ira nje aburu nonto community nyumbe ku na ntore ku ira ilela the most vulnerable na ritho riria ni etalawa ni bui tura umburi acha iuni tiro kubwithia ibura tukuilela most vulnerable na most vulnerable imulemavu.
So some of these matoya yandikikire clauses ire kire wa sheria jire kire bill je bwana Meriti. How soon kana nikaita kana kuthwane niko kayukia ko implemented? For example, sibitari weka desk ya alemavu, sibitari kwethwa siena sign language interpreter, kwethwa ni nyumba thirikari wo ko accessible ni antu mawathe. How soon after ya kirwa saini ni president kuririgira how soon eka implemented?
Thank you. Muntu robwitha kia mantu ya alemavu etawa CEO director wa National Council PWD. We have a very strong guy. He works with wheelchair, he's as masters. No director wa council ya alemavu. Na every county na director omwe. Wetu aliara kwa DC ara ku mudisi ura mu county commissioner na nyo actually is a person challenged na wheelchair mtu moya mno wana Kimathi ina no one device national na council tuti na mtu wetwa Aaron tuina umekire kiorio regulation na policies na bangite we have already done it with participation ya policy itu bangite burika implementwa mbere county kaba atoroka mantu ya alemavu kwa karaka ya national ende ye incorporated ku policies yete na every county nitite ku adapt policies ya national na cheria na chika adaptwa. For example, Meru County na act assembly ya alemavu na ina board ira twerire a excellent ngabana please na tuguthirie bondi wire chawa makari na mbere makari na wetha ina wire imukuro kiama ati kwenda mantu ya chair kairi na ere excellence nga rutha abwithia bondi ingi yes payana 3 years tutabwithirwo mwanka thai kwina muntu witwa chief secretary a permanent employee abwiri kundiru na county na mantu ya alemavu ati andiki torombere andikwe. Number 2 endi ni obatu na tutukuira structure. We bring things to chief secretary things to the board advises the county. Policy uchi ya ibo tukuirigira ikethe kariu.
So what you're saying that the ito tena board for
disability.
Tutina board disability na mtu wa witawa chief secretary ati andiki kulingana act yetu. But that's not enough. Kambire alemavu turaingire ngiria na tege ntuko chetha kyo ituko review act ya assembly ya Meru soon. Actually before end of this financial year. Ni ito ntutu review. Ire rikutha yeto ya only 10 million per year. 10 million. Nenyatha in budget ine. Ichiro wona chia urere accessible device. Chia antu baraba tumaira miti wheelchair nambi. Number 2, o every alternate nine nkaira sako ya Meru milioni 5. Ichu yendi to ya na mwankatha iba 20 million. Na chiedhara china bondi alemavu ikeidhara china director cooperative wa county ai mandatory signatory na advisor. Na aitha ngono ntu basaku ingi chakwira chia ni munye chia thirire ile chia no 5 million ibwarire chienu na county ibwarire chienu alemavu akuba batire chio ticho ntu bona kantu babatilaitie na barongelo no ntu bataria na theibongelawa. So ni atatu kwendendi chio I'm the treasurer. And I can at the city up to now to ya 10 million 15 over 15 china member betu na boiba usave regularly. So irio na nya ndi na mbechi tirombi endi tutikwe na mulemavu wate mono wate ta school kana tiranda kanambi
na mbechi irio
na irio ofisi yeto kenziruba iriau back office ila tukwirigire kan grow ya saku ingi ura changirwere. We have started bigger than even some circles. I remember Mawa Methodist Circle started with only 45 members. Member betu endi na kabati huko masaku ne number 2 bamwe bakatho ba ukembe chiche county bakara yakulira. So turendo meta mana Martin. Amendment yu ibwithwe ikire bura wajia baretre. Kiambu ni retre bo. Kiambu actually it is set aside 250 million alemavu. Wajia is set at 40 million chia alemavu. Na baingirie komi yake. Barua cash transfer mona severe disability. Ngirinya. Assessment free. Accessible device by baure nyere makarina. No to be there money. But to rondo tengro 2% ya development fund. example bona bilioni 5 cha development iba twikire no ngiria na milioni ya na rimwe ake ya na rimwe to inana civil and disabled ngiri 10 omwana nayo ngiri 3 ile ingi chia tiara ni chibu shure intobia wetabio ichibatetheria assessment ni create awareness na iba en grants ikundi bimana yana very active yaura ngafu be ya ikundi umana ya ile grant yana ikundi bibitana nkaro no ngiri 50-50 no ntusaku irukuma wana mbeza na karando akisaku it's not helping them much lakini can grant kai kundi bi actually if you give them 50,000 itikura no million 20 per year.
That's how they'll be able to invest and
that's how now we want it to be no tebo ngibomba na ethire cheriene tiwita kuriro bisi ya milioni cha kulukirwe 10 icheriene kintu kiteandikire kiteo.
Okay. So far bura sheria we kari for example the 10 million irabone nkairwa 10 million iji ni kura ke devices kana kujubiti ya
rabia icho chieto chiumba imwe weta kiri chako igeta 5 million 5 million inge ikaura accessible device by the way access ito nini muno to access to into 2 million idano by the way ni video che mwengi 50,000
wow ile kawaida
yes michume weta ni moyo ngiri 3 so ito into nini moto urawa na lema baba kwenda thai wiru cia ndi na lisio inkurukia ngiri yile na last time turaya ni rokimana ya 3 na bibi ngibi kweyano na bibi ari antu mana 5 and I'm so proud of these guys called coordinators. I remember when governor decided to do UN Day, tariki 3 December, yari 24 notice. Na within 24 hours, antu ibari balema baraba in list in chuo ngiri emwe by the idano. How they arrived there ngabana tamenya na antu batamenya. They were fed by coordinators using their own ways of communication. Luckily na ombiro bawe transport, bari fund wabura kuretareti. So these are the people who know their people. Na ibo ntutukuwa atere atongoria bara batikirite mulemabu kuntune kura bari kiutekio utekia mulemabu ateo. Thai assembly barakia na ibayire nyite bia lemabu yele. Ibakire murungu. Next time sheria ni titokuluku ndi bati yarenge. Nontu muntura wari kweta wa mheshimiwa Mwendwa no wa vetere mbiru ira kuluka 2016 kukethira thaitu ina mulemabu kuo yangu kwira mantu ya kwa mendi ya mendo rukiri indi tutina muntu indi ingwitikia mheshimiwa speaker katendo twire mbona akai challenge na utothikira twina Kenya Ibea ya se hearing impairment ku aketha batu tuwe mulemabu and nabea Kenya has done so much being mulemabu kwa wena ratengere 200,000 this financial year kwa grant kundibia we 15 yes
na ibae
yes I can assure that non tutoka litenwe last week abere ndatengere ki itemized na ibo tuto challenge babange na ibo tubatichoka bado ntikire ruari na ibea itokurombera atengete 1.2 actually achianirwe na grant kanenkoro kundibia we 15 for example I come from Mwadhono tu ina ikundi ikundi binana ndirigira mheshimiwa kwa njimuchui this financial year nondikire muchui nontuimbije no daro yankari ntheru ndirio umpire imbio ekire ikundi bia ku binana the next itemized budget is liable ibitikiritwe kethebo ikira bia kuria youth sports ibuikira ngache boekire ekuru why is it difficult to ikira mulemabu ikundi bimanana bonde babwiri kwitha babikirite takantu asangrant yes
so bwana Miriti tukithiriere information yeje yonde wotoa is it out there kire antu wa alemavu how can we help but
nya civic education je
ibwega no ntu bakanyaka actually for the last 1 year we are doing very well no ntu ibuto akanyaka into itakimuge FM bato akanyaka right that na mwenda every at least 2 months twitiankathe nampea na nambe kwa thimune werune na nyathu wa inkeyana uroi na nindi bera bandingire tha morukiri mwankatha yele na woro kuma 6 mwanka nyatha inya I will tell them what to do wherever they are ngakulinki na want report ku ndina list ya want report 46 yetu wow ndina list ya chairperson wa ikundi manana ndina list ya coordinator bakwa 15 I link you to that person Europe where possible that's how we are doing na bari to semana na tumadhile meeting na coordinator what we are seeing is we are talking in a uniform and they by in regular meetings in the area we have taxed them every raiendi rema ya wethuranira we coordinator tigane west irandu aira temeni na leaders bakwawe kenda ba information assessment form ya berana ate kubwithwa itibu bwithibu nabu. That's how we are linking them. Toche maniga thaina ikundi bietu 50 ruari chairperson, we tax them in their ikundi na bara politician bara batu thikira this time you will be shocked. We are going to make sure you get it in difficult. By the way muntu moya indi akathuka indi kanari mwe barete thina kinoru standi umbarenga timu ya munya na mitira yo na muchemoni wathira baretara methene bari ukareka bakinya uto bakanirie. Yes.
Okay, so I will also challenge you next time where tunataka make sure okay ya regularly.
Thank you.
Bwana Miriti. I want to challenge you that next time where na a sign language interpreter kienda na bobara wate bena wade
bokuigwa.
Yeah, kinyoba kuthikira.
Thank you very much.
Is that possible?
Is it possible because we are one person who has been volunteering at our Paulo Wakema University he volunteers for a meeting. I'm sorry non to baba ingi batambikwa na ryantu mire kabicha karapari mbichi bonere indi batri kwa bu. It is I will do that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sure.
Thank
you
you
very much.
Thank
So
you.
just to kidhia karimi na either imona karame wanu disabled
Ketumari ku
baba wenda mwije muno na ali physically challenged ukaya tukwalie
Imagango ngesianjarasia